very, very exciting. I woke up this morning at 3:30 a.m. in order to get this train, which I'm on right now. This is my little room. Bloody hell, it's lovely. That is beautiful. Hello, Nancy. My goodness, I feel like royalty. Well, I am technically living like royalty for the day. I'm living in a palace. What? My goodness, this is wild. What's your name? Name?
Dadanch.
Dadanch. Oh, lovely to meet you. Wow, pretty.
Welcome, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, wow, that's huge. Just for me.
Ma'am.
Wow, it's massive. Oh my goodness, this is massive. What?
This is your washroom, ma'am.
Oh my, this is the size of my room back home.
This is your milk fridge, ma'am.
Okay.
Cold water.
Oh, lovely, cold water. Can't beat it. Can't beat it.
This is your RO company, ma'am.
Amazing.
Change to RO.
Ooh. Ooh, very nice. I feel like I'm gonna get lost in this room. It's so big I can get lost. No, I actually feel really emotional. This is wild. How the hell am I in a palace right now? What? Right, let's give a little room tour. So, room tour. I feel like I need to give a house tour. This is the size of my house. Right, okay, so the bed. Oh, very nice. Absolutely massive. Can fit 10 people in that bed, but it's nice. You have this, you have water in there, cold, and then you've got water here. You also have an array of different teas. You've got Assam tea, I love Assam tea. Coffees, English breakfast. Oh, oh. Wow, I'm gonna be having the time of my life with all these teas. I've got my own little mirror. I can sit and do my little thing. She can do her thing, do her thing, do her thing, do her thing. Shut up! Shut up! I love robes with my whole heart. My goodness. When I tell you I'm gonna be living in this, I mean it. I'm making the most of this. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. And then the bathroom tour. Absolutely massive. Got my own towel. I am here with Ekatra, who have just started Project Connect. They kindly gifted me a gift, so I'm gonna unwrap it with you right now. I'm excited. Welcome to Kota. How beautiful is that? And then it's got, my God, that's where I'm staying right now. That's the palace. I'm staying in a palace. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's a laptop bag. That's the prettiest laptop bag I've ever seen, and blue's one of my favorite colors alongside green. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Here is my little laptop. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And it's gonna be cherished for life. It has a special label on the side and it tells you who made it, so who made this. So first of all, I'm really sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. Hi, I am Anjum. Oh. I always dreamt of travel. Ekatra not only gave me independence, but also the courage of going out and exploring places. Handcrafted this with a lot of heart just for you. I loved what this company stands for. I love what Ekatra stands for. I love the idea of Project Connect, especially in a place like Kota, which a lot of people don't go to or don't want to visit. I love the idea of what they're doing right now. So I knew I wanted to be a part of something like this.
The next day, we spent the morning exploring and learning all about the palace. It's the beautiful Umeed Bhavan Palace, built in 1902 by the Maharao Umeed Singhji. A British architect actually mixed classic Rajput elements with European style here, which gives these dramatic arches such a unique and grand twist. But the absolute craziest part is that it's now a heritage hotel, meaning you can literally sleep in a 100-year-old palace. It gives you a taste and further understanding of the royalty in Rajasthan, and it's one you definitely would not want to miss.
If you've ever wondered what it's like to stay inside a palace, a royal palace, I'm gonna show you, come on. Absolutely incredible. This is the living room. This dates back actually from 1902, so you can see the style is from the 1900s with the colour palette too. You've got the greens, you've got the like mustard yellow. The living room, you can sit and chat with your family or friends. The beds, which are massive, very comfortable, very, very comfortable. But the thing which is the most fascinating about this place is if you come in here, you've got this incredibly grand wardrobe, which is just remarkable. I mean, I love a good wardrobe, and this is incredible. We should put the picture. This is actually the Maharaja's royal collection. So this is his, from his palace. Let's go into the bathroom. I love a bathroom tour. You've got different dental kits. You've got conditioners, shampoos, body lotion, happy days. So this is what it would be like to live like royalty. And you can stay here yourself at Umid Bhavan Palace. It's incredibly grand. You can live your inner princess.
We're going to one of the important suites. The suites here are made under 5 different themes. This one that we're entering is Kota Art Suite.
Kota Art Suite. Oh,
so the speciality here is that this one has a lot to talk about Kota miniature themed paintings, which is one of the important art forms in Kota.
So these paintings here?
Yes. The king of this place, his personal collection. So they also have a museum wherein all of them are stored in real time.
Okay.
So now they've taken it from there and have put some work here.
That's beautiful.
I think that's an interesting way to create awareness about the lost art.
100%.
Maharaja Kumar of this place has also taken personal interest in reviving these paintings.
The paintings we saw in there, this is actually snippets from the City Palace Museum. And as you can see, you have the different paintings all along here. And inside was the actual replicas of them. That is awesome. So it's like you're staying in the City Palace, but obviously it's your own little suite. We are about to try different food. So the good thing about this restaurant is they serve 3 different types of food. You have the Indian classics, you have Rajputan, wow, look at me go, and you also have the international section. No matter what your heart is feeling, you can have it. So for the Indian classics, you've got paneer tikka, coconut sheep. All of this is new to me for the Indian classics. I've heard of gulab jamun. Savoury.
This is gulab jamun ki sabzi.
What?
So this you'll not usually find anywhere.
I've never heard of a gulab jamun savoury. I was like, yeah, I've heard of gulab jamun. Savoury? Crazy. So the options are endless. You literally cannot be short of choice here. Oh my god, this is so fun. Okay. That's incredible. I love lamb mas though, and kachori is now my favourite thing ever. So putting them two together is like a dream.
And I think it's the most unique combination. And none of us has ever heard about this. I have been in Kota for quite some time, but I've never seen anyone put lal mas and kachori together.
No. First time I had lamb mas, they were like, yeah, it's only going to take a little bit. I was like, no worries. 3 hours later, I was still waiting for it, and I'm there like, okay, when is it?
No.
This is lamb mas with choo-choo naan.
Yes, you get it right.
And lamb mas is a traditional Rajasthani dish. Oh my gosh. Shall I just get stuck in?
Yes.
Fine.
I think that's the right way to eat Indian food.
Just stuck in.
It just tastes better.
This is peer pressure for you.
Yeah, I've got lots of eyes on me, and I'm left-handed. People already put pressure on me for eating with my left hand. This is remarkable. I'm a big fan of mutton. That is one of the best lamb mas I've had. And this choo-choo naan, never heard of it before, but I like the name of it. It's very fun, choo-choo, and just the flavors are incredible. And it really makes, so typically for lamb mas, would you have it with the choo-choo naan?
No, it is, generally people are having with the plain naan maybe.
Okay.
Maybe plain chapat roti.
Yeah.
It's a lot of processing for this.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Try it with this chutney. This
Okay.
one and this one.
Okay, what chutney is this?
Kidney beans chutney.
Kidney beans.
Kidney beans. Oh, I like kidney beans. This is bunat mata kebab.
Okay.
My goodness, apparently it's... Oh. Oh, would you look at that? That's
Yes,
incredible.
That is what I was talking about.
Wow, that's... Everything I've eaten, I've been like, wow, that's the best thing ever. Because it is.
Food.
Oh my goodness. I've never had anything like this before. I've not even seen anything like this before. And I like it too because normally I'm not a fan of coriander, but it's not too overpowering. Like it's the perfect mix. It's definitely got a kick to it. It's a little bit spicy, but also this is coming from me. So.
Chicken biryani.
Yes.
And this is paneer darbari. This cottage cheese in our specialty.
I'll do the biryani first.
Paneer biryani.
Okay, let's give it a go. That chicken is so tender, that's delicious. And I think it's even more special when you know just how long and how much effort has been put into making it. You're a talent. You're such a talent.
No, she's really appreciated everything she's had.
This has been incredible. Whoa! Never in my life have I seen paneer look like that. Now I have. Let's give it a go. We've got the choo choo. No, choo choo. Choo choo into my mouth. Choo choo.
Okay.
I think I've eaten too much food. I'm going delusional.
I think I'm learning a lot of.
I think that's my favourite paneer dish yet. That sauce is something else. Some of the sauce with the paneer. Now it's time for the international. This is pizza. Look at that. Just how I like it. Extra cheesy. That looks delicious. That's really tasty. Wow. And I love a cheesy pizza, and that has a lot of cheese. Each part of the menu has such a special taste. Caters to everyone, this is incredible. Ooh, rose panna cotta, here it is. Looks delicious. Can't smell anything yet. Right, let's give it a try. Oh, is that rose petals in it? I've noticed there's a lot of rose flavoured things here. Right, let's give it a go. That's a big spoonful, but I love my sweet things, so. Wow. That's delicious.
It's really nice and refreshing.
Yeah, and it's light, so you don't feel bad for eating it. It's guilt-free, basically. Yeah. It's like you've not eaten a dessert.
And it just melted. So you're going to get a chance to speak to the prince.
Oh my goodness.
That's almost a British fairy tale.
Speaking with the prince. Hello. Good evening. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, it's been incredible. Everything has just surprised me. You have such a beautiful place. Oh, it's went. I think my ear must have been on. You have such a beautiful place, end the call. But no, it's such a beautiful place. I'm really glad that I got to experience it, especially with such an amazing project with Project Connect, so it's been really special. And the food has been remarkable, oh my goodness. I've just had a load right now and some of it I've never had before. I've got a pizza staring at me right now. No, of course, and thank you so much. The hotel has been incredible. The staff are amazing, the place is beautiful. It's such a gorgeous area.
The Ariel University School of Medicine is preparing Israel's future physicians by teaching them advanced medicine, research, humanities, and communication skills. The Ariel University School of Medicine is preparing Israel's future.
Unfortunately, I've got to go now, but thank you so much for sharing this with me. Oh, thank you. Goodbye. I'll pass you over now. Take care. Thank you.
Must have been interesting to learn from him.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I never in a million years expected to not only get invited to stay in a real Indian palace, but to actually have the prince phone me. I just want to say a massive thank you to Ekatra and Project Connect for making this entire experience possible. If you want to see the rest of my India adventures, check out my other videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!